Hey travelers, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be talking about Los Patios and my review of the hostel as well as the room. So honestly, Los Patios is a really amazing hostel. It's marked as one of the best hostels in the world, and that is not a lie. If you can see, there is options to cook as well as a very vibrant area. So here is my room. So they have dorm rooms and they also have independent singular rooms. That's what I decided to get because, I'm kind of grown and I don't want to live or sleep with other people that I don't know. So there wasn't any air conditioner, but because Medellin is pretty cooler temperature, there was no need for AC during the night. And as you can see before, my room was called Monkey Island because that's one of the attractions right outside of Medellin. Overall, it was a pretty good, decent sized room. My room was cleaned every single day. And once again, the staff was amazing. I really, really did enjoy the staff. It was a really clean room, very spacious, and not too far from the downstairs. I was on the third floor. And because they had two buildings, the other building had a rooftop where they had a lot of parties and a lot of gatherings. So this is what it looked like. So let me know if you have any questions about the hostel. There's going to be more hotel reviews coming up.